Lost Giants, a history written in bones. Our planet has a history written in stone, a history of giants. We find their remains, colossal skeletons hidden in the earth, remnants of creatures that once ruled their domains. These were the dinosaurs, the woolly mammoths, the giant sloths. Creatures of immense scale and power that have long since vanished from our world. Their stories fascinate us. They spark our curiosity and make us wonder about a time when these magnificent beasts roamed the earth. These fossil remains are like pieces of a puzzle, each bone a clue to the size, strength, and behavior of these extinct giants. We learn about their diets, their habitats, and the challenges they faced. We can even trace their evolutionary lineage, understanding how they arose, adapted, and eventually succumbed to the pressures of a changing world. Yet, their disappearance leaves a void, a silence where their roars and footsteps once echoed. Their absence raises profound questions. What led to their demise? Were they victims of sudden catastrophic events, or did they slowly fade away as environmental conditions shifted around them? Could such extinctions happen again? Perhaps even to creatures we share the planet with today. These questions drive us to explore the past, hoping to learn from it and apply that knowledge to protect the present. The story of extinct giants is not just a tale of loss, but also a reminder of the fragility of life and the importance of understanding our place within the intricate web of nature. The fall of giants. Why did they disappear? Extinction is a natural process, a constant undercurrent in the grand narrative of life on Earth. Yet, the disappearance of giants often involved unique factors, tipping points that led to their downfall. For some, like the dinosaurs, a cataclysmic event, a massive asteroid impact, is believed to have triggered a chain reaction of environmental devastation, wiping out entire ecosystems. The impact's aftermath, a shroud of dust and debris blotting out the sun, led to a global winter, disrupting food chains and plunging the planet into darkness. Other giants face different challenges, often a combination of factors that gradually eroded their dominance. Climate change, for instance, played a significant role in the decline of many megafauna, including woolly mammoths. As the Earth warmed, their preferred habitats, vast stretches of grasslands and steppe, shrank. They faced competition from other species better adapted to the new conditions, and their populations dwindled. Human activity, though not always the primary cause, has often exacerbated the pressures on already vulnerable giants. Hunting, habitat encroachment, and the introduction of invasive species have all contributed to the demise of many iconic creatures. The extinction of the dodo, a flightless bird endemic to Mauritius, serves as a stark reminder of the devastating impacts human actions can have on fragile ecosystems. The dodo, with no natural defenses against introduced predators, vanished quickly, a testament to the need for responsible stewardship of our planet's biodiversity. Resurrecting the past, a scientific tightrope walk. The idea of bringing extinct giants back to life, of reversing time and rewriting the lost chapters of Earth's history, captures the imagination. Advances in genetics and cloning technologies have fueled this dream, offering tantalizing possibilities. Scientists can now extract DNA from ancient remains, piecing together the genetic blueprints of creatures long gone. The prospect of using this genetic information to resurrect extinct species, a process known as de-extinction, raises both excitement and ethical concerns. The debate around de-extinction revolves around several key questions. Is it ethically sound to bring back creatures that have vanished, potentially disrupting existing ecosystems? Do we have the right to play God, manipulating the fabric of life for our own curiosity or ambition? And even if we could revive these giants, could we provide them with suitable habitats, ensuring their long-term survival? These questions are complex, with no easy answers. Despite the ethical considerations, the scientific pursuit of de-extinction continues. Researchers are exploring various techniques, from traditional breeding methods to advanced genetic engineering. Some envision using closely related extant species as surrogates, modifying their genomes to resemble those of their extinct relatives. Others focus on cloning, attempting to create viable embryos from ancient DNA. The journey is fraught with challenges, but the allure of reversing extinction, of witnessing the return of giants, remains a powerful motivator. While the prospect of reviving extinct giants occupies our imagination, a more urgent crisis unfolds before our eyes: the ongoing extinction of species in our time. The echoes of past extinctions reverberate in the plight of endangered animals today, creatures teetering on the brink of oblivion. The Javan rhinoceros, the mountain gorilla, the Amur leopard. These are just a few of the many species facing an uncertain future, their populations dwindling under the weight of habitat loss, poaching, and climate change. The stories of these endangered animals mirror the challenges faced by extinct giants, highlighting the interconnectedness of life on Earth. Habitat destruction, driven by human expansion and resource extraction, deprives these creatures of their homes, fragmenting populations and disrupting delicate ecological balances. Poaching, fueled by greed and demand for exotic animal products, decimates populations, pushing some species to the very edge of existence. Climate change, a global threat, alters habitats and disrupts migration patterns, compounding the pressures on already vulnerable creatures. We are witnessing a biodiversity crisis, a rapid decline in the variety of life on Earth, with profound implications for the health of our planet and our own well-being. The loss of each species weakens the intricate web of life, disrupting ecosystems and undermining the services they provide, from pollination to water purification. The fate of these endangered animals is a stark reminder of our responsibility to protect the natural world, not just for its intrinsic value, but also for our own survival. The story of extinct giants and the plight of endangered species today converge on a single crucial question: what kind of legacy will we leave for future generations? Will it be a world devoid of giants, a diminished tapestry of life? Or will it be a world where biodiversity thrives, where the echoes of past extinctions serve as a call to action, a reminder of our responsibility to safeguard the web of life? The choices we make today will determine the answer. We have the power to alter the course of history, to shift the trajectory from extinction to conservation. This requires a collective effort, a global commitment to protecting habitats, combating poaching, and addressing the root causes of climate change. It demands a shift in our mindset, recognizing that we are part of nature, not separate from it, and that our actions have consequences for all living things. The future of giants, both those lost and those on the brink, rests in our hands. We have the knowledge, the tools, and the responsibility to act. Let us choose to be the generation that turned the tide, that ensured a future where the wonders of nature, the magnificence of giants, continue to inspire awe and wonder for generations to come. The story of life on Earth is still being written, and we have the opportunity to make it a story of resilience, hope, and the enduring power of nature.